Ai malee hashuu sorotita ubbaykka hacheen ubbiyana topic high level programming language kasi added biduan low level programming language beida hacheen ubbiyana kasi high level programming language loitidine kallite high level programming language ay bagko beana. A high level programming language is programming language that is easy for human to read, write and understand. It uses words similar to English, making it easier to write programs. High level programming language yoge nuni wayko ay asini asanati tsaafano way nababano way understand wayko taradde tanasi beidi erna danda'iyo programming language yegewa. ለምሳሌ ኑን የተጠየልት ነወነ ደንደተስ አፈኖ ደንደተስ የጋዳንጋ understand ወይኮ ተራደተ ነው ደንደተስ ይዋ. It uses words similar to English, making it easier to write programs. No programming ወይኮ high level programming language ልክ እንግሊዘኛ ወርድ ማለት ወይኮ እንግሊዘኛ ወርድ በተቀመጡ ወይ ኤ አፕ ቱ ዘድ ለምሳሌ ዲጋ ወይኮ 0 አፕ ቱ 9 አፕ ዲጋ it use words similar to English. ቀጥታ እንግሊዘኛ አልፋቤት ተጠቀመጡስ ቢሆን ሃይ ሌቭል ላንጉጅ ፕሮግራሚንግ ጻፈናስ እንግሊዘኛ ወርድ ጻፈው ወይ ሃይ ሌቭል ላንጉጅ ይዋል ለሄጋ ከሲ ማሽን ሲስተም ወይ ኮምፒውተር ማሽን ላንጉጅ ትራንስሌት ወጥክስ. It is a level machine independency. ያገው ማሽን ላንጉጅ ወይ ማሽን ዲፔንደንት ገደነገዋ. High level language ጻፈት መከ ትራንስሌት ግዴስ ፔቲሽን ማሽን ላንጉጅን ዲፔንድ ግደና reliable ነው. It is a reliable independent machine language. Uses English like instructions and mathematics were able to define variable with statements such as ለምሳሌ ኤግዛምፕል z which is equal to a plus b ወይኮ c which is equal to a over b አገ high level ጋር ነው ደንደተ high level program language ጋር ነው ደንደተ አይሲ ቀጥታ እንግሊዘኛ ኮ ነው ይሪዋ አረብ ኤ z which is equal to a plus b ኤ ቦታን b ቦታ ያኑ የሆነ ነምበር የሚያቆ የሆነ z የዋጋ ሀካካት የማነው ደንደተ ስለዚህ ሪደብል በቃ ሁማን ሪደብል ነው። ሁለተኛ አንደኛ ኢዚ ነው። ኢዚ ሪድ ነው። ኢዚ ራይት ነው። ኢዚ አንደርስታንድ ነው። እሺ ኤግዛምፕል ኦፍ ሃይ ሌቭል ፕሮግራሚንግ ላንጉጅ ሲ ፕላስ ፕላስ ፓይተን ጃቫ ሲ ሻርፕ እና ጃቫ ስክሪፕት እና የጋዳን ሀራቲ ከዶዝ ነው እና ለካ ሲ ፕላስ ፕላስ ነው ዋና በያና ኮይዶጌ ሃይ ሌቭል ፕሮግራሚንግ ላንጉጅ ያገደ እንዲው ጋር እና ኩሽስ እና ሲ ፕላስ ፕላስ ኢሲ ባናንቴዳ ኤግዛምፕል ኦፍ high level programming language yoga. Compiler and interpreters. What is compiler and interpreter? Compiler is a program that translates whole source code or high level language into machine language at once before running the program. Compiler yogi usabido programming ya isipe upa usabido programming siguta wako high level language ya translate with the machine language lamio utete pe coertidio interpreter ki asi an interpreter translate and run program line by line interpreter ki cc line ya translate otas in compiler ki whole otas wo high level language siguta machine language lamis ki ha I kasi c++ ya ane beana what is c++ C++ is a programming language used to write instruction for computers. C++ gyoge programming language gidi uttidi IC madi instruction ya computers is afana sin mades gyoga haga add hota haga subtract hota haga division hota haga darsa haga gujja haga yata gano madiyage ayba makanyinete nun computers itizaz yemio programming language bigdon iso oni C++ hara programming language edition C++ takametiri tizaz yamanasi dandeus silezi C++ emadio bay used to write instruction for computer tizaz isafanate mades yoga C++ is a programming language used to create computer programs, software, game application. C++ maadhi waan nabai hageeta milati hageeta game midhanu software midhanu hara application ta midhanu ke maadhis kyo. Who created the C++? Only C++ plus a core midhite only. C++ was created by Irene Straffy in 1979. 1979 Irene Straffy methods. Why do we use C++? We use C++ because it is fast, powerful, and efficient. It helps programmers create software, games, operating system, embedded system, and many other applications. C++ nuni taqametos ICG kun kehi eleliani wayko kehi walqama wayko utama gidiyo gisho ika maadiyo bay IB maadi software mediyo saatin duma software ta mediyo saatin game ya operating system ya embedded system moy system era wayko gidon koyro de system era qatita merti diyalu inna hara duma many other application duma hara application midana maadiyo give you deep understanding of how computer work. One never computer one otiako but am til kegalidi nun taradeta na mala maadiyo computer minini de C+ eri computer minini gimashi gidiya ga erosu ga peter waran ndesu was computer na biyo high level na language de na machine language gi ko daga computer AB era na 0 na 1 era siwa igaran computer indeed gives you deep understand of how computer work. Weko nuni computer watri otiako taradeta no dandesu C++. Where is C++ used? Awan madi audio madi game development. C++ is used to create powerful game medio sate wonta mo operating system C++ helps to build part of operating system. C++ helps build part of operating system build autonomous embedded system to wonta ko used in smart device and electronic duma super device da way ko electronic gidon tarato meretishin gelno gelso meretis go meretishin sion system meretis aden system recipe build digiri C++ maadis go. Katare topic angaitano sargido chao commentian ente ko to status afite